Choose a professional-grade adhesive sealant that matches substrate chemistry and movement rating for each critical waterproofing joint. For tile and bath fixtures, start by identifying substrate types such as ceramic, porcelain, natural stone, metal, or polyethylene, and select a sealant formulated for adhesion to those materials. Polyurethane-based and hybrid polymer sealants often outperform standard silicone on porous stone and mixed material assemblies because they adhere chemically and have higher tear strength. Prepare surfaces by removing old sealant, cleaning with a solvent like denatured alcohol, and abrading glossy finishes lightly with a Scotch-Brite pad to promote mechanical keying. Always allow full flash off of cleaners so you do not trap solvents under the bead. Apply primer only when the manufacturer specifies it for that substrate, and use a matching primer for polyethylene or polypropylene, which are difficult to bond to otherwise. When tooling the bead, use a rounded profile to maintain elasticity and avoid thin spots. Aim for a cross-sectional shape with a width at least 1.5 times the expected joint depth, and use backer rod in wide gaps to control depth and prevent three-sided adhesion. For plumbing protrusions such as supply lines or fixture flanges, apply the sealant so it contacts the part on multiple sides and overlaps existing waterproofing membranes by at least 1 inch to maintain continuity of the barrier. Cure management matters. Keep the area dry and within the manufacturer recommended temperature and humidity range for the full cure period, and do not expose the seal to heavy movement until it reaches functional hardness. Common errors include using a generic silicone on all substrates, which can fail on porous stone or adhere poorly to plastics, so swap to a polyurethane or hybrid product proven for those materials. Second, applying beads too shallow or too thin, which leads to premature tearing. Use backer rod to set proper depth and tool to a consistent rounded profile. Third, neglecting surface prep and primers, which results in adhesive failure. Always clean, abrade glossy surfaces, and apply primer where specified, then allow the recommended dwell time before tooling. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors specific to projects like bathroom waterproofing and sealant selection. We provide a discussion community where we share real-world tips, compare products such as Loctite PL Advanced and Kerdi Fix, and help contractors find nearby work while homeowners find local professionals.